What does live mean on iPhone camera? Apple Live Photos is a camera feature introduced on the iPhone 6 that captures sound and movement a second and a half before and after a photo is taken to create a video-like effect. Does turning off live photos save space? Save space on your iPhone by turning off live photos in the camera app. Open the camera app, make sure you're in photo mode, and look at the top of the screen. The live photos icon is 3 concentric rings and it will be highlighted in yellow if it's turned on. Simply tap on it to turn live photos off. Do live photos have sound? Yes, live photos record sound while they are recording movement. The data collected before and after the shutter button is pressed includes approximately 1.5 seconds of sound. Playback of the sound in live photos is possible on iOS 9 devices, as well as Apple Mac computers running OS X El Capitan 10.11 or later. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for more of these videos.